Today's lunch is at Adu Sugar at Bangsar Garden. Going up here is upstairs for I think cheaper rental or something like that. Ah, it's nice decoration, huh? This is the menu. It's not very big, but got Laksa Johor, sambal Botok, mee bandung, and some of the classic Johor stuff. So this is Laksa Johor, classic Johorian dish.
Yeah.
And this is
Botok.
So this one is made with salmon fish and it's baked with ulam and this steam. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try these things.
Usually people eat this with hands.
Eat with hand.
Yeah.
It's messy. And it uses of course spaghetti because Laksa Johor doesn't use any local noodle.
Fusion. Excuse me.
Fusion, okay. So it's a little bit like otak, I assume. Little bit. No. I like how soft the fish is. And also the pucuk ubi, of course, is quite nice. Do you like your Laksa Johor now that it looks like that?
Yes, it's very nice. It's very healthy.
Awesome. Healthy food is good. We have dessert. This is called
Kuih ketaya.
Kuih Ketaya.
Or Lempeng dadar.
Or Lempeng dadar. Nice, right? This.
Yep.
But basic.